and trading.
Hi guys, and welcome to my trade review on NCI. So what's made me enter and why did I alert this? Let's find out. So firstly, I came across the stock making my watch list by just adding the top 5 small caps in. Then onto trading most traded channel. This channel is used to present a table of stocks the most trades actually taken within them, and therefore showing the real volume and real interest across US equities with all US stock markets at any time of the day. And if you want to learn more about our bot and understand how it is just like me, please see my bot guide. It's a great feature and you should definitely be using it just like me. And to see how my watchlist is made and great plays are found throughout all times day in more detail, please see my watchlist seminar in the seminar channel and make sure trading close targets like this you do not miss it. So next I marked relevant daily support and resistance levels. And the levels I got for this were 1, 1.3, 1.6, 2, 2.5 and 3. If you want to learn how to chart support and resistance just like me, please see my support and resistance seminar in the seminar channel. So next I went to the 5 minute time frame and looked for my favourite continuation pattern, the falling wedge. So I'll draw this in just here. This is what I look for against 1.6, the falling wedge right here. And as well as this, I was very happy with the volume on this time frame because the candles were large and there's very strong noticeable movement candles in this time frame. And that's part of my criteria and very important in regards to volume. And if you want to learn more about volume in a lot more detail, please send my seminar on volume in the seminar channel and make sure trading close targets like this so you do not miss it. And we need 3 touches per side of the wedge for mature enough consolidation. So we've got 3 touches at least on this side here, as you can see, and 3 touches on this side here as well as a minimum. However, though, 2 to 3 touches is still fine if in the first 25 minutes when the stock came into life with sufficient enough day trading volume in market hours. So we're just in the 1 minute time frame with the first 25 minutes when the stock came into life with sufficient enough day trading volume in market hours. Then after that point I use the 5 minute chart to draw my trends and patterns. And the stock came into life at 10:40 AM Eastern time, which I'll show you on the 1 minute time frame just here. As we zoom in, I'll show you it came into life at 10:40 from just using the 1 minute time frame. But how did I know it was on this point it came into life? Basically, it was because it was the very first 1 minute candle with over 80,000 volume for today. That's it, at 10:40 just here. And that's how I knew the stock came into life from that point here. And I alerted this stock at 2:50 PM Eastern time, being specific. So just here as well. So as a result, I made sure not to get confused anything regarding chart and trend on the 1 minute time frame. As a result, I used the 5 minute time frame using that criteria to my advantage. And again, my falling wedge actually always needs to be revised to 1 day support against the 1 day resistance, and that is paramount. And the falling wedge right here is actually resting right beneath the 1 day resistance of 1.6, as you can see just here. It's resting beneath it here when it breaks out. And it also drew the wedge by applying the up thrust identified to me at the time, which can act as our resistance itself, just here, the up thrust. And if you want to learn more about the up thrust, please see my work of seminar in the seminar channel. And again, make sure trading close targets like this so you do not miss it. And if you want to learn more about the falling wedge pattern and draw them just like me, please see my falling wedge seminar in the seminar channel. And again, make sure trading close targets like this so you do not miss it. So next, as I approached my resistance at 1.6 and got closer, I went to the 1 minute time frame and I waited for a 1 minute screen on the close, breaking a 1 day resistance of 1.6. Remember, there's actually 3 different criteria for what 1 minute screen on the close over resistance means, and I personally went with option 3 on this. So I'm about to wait for a 1 minute criminal close over resistance. Please see my post on Trading Plan channel in the day trading subcategory. What does watching a stock over a certain price mean? So therefore, this is my entry right here. Additionally, for this trade, I waited for it to blast up like this, as it just blasted up, and then waited for it to come back down to the 1.65 area to get filled. And now going to the 5 minute time frame, I'll show you that once we turn the moving averages on, we're actually going to be above all moving averages once we break over 1.6. So we're above the ATMA here, which is my light blue line. My orange line here is the Bollinger Band Center. My thick yellow line is 60 EMA. My thick white line here is 200 EMA. My thick white line here is 200 MA. And I only take trades which are above all moving averages because it shows the trend is strong on the 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. That is critical. And if you want to learn more about moving averages, make sure you see my moving averages seminar in the seminar channel. And again, make sure trading close targets like this so you do not miss it. So in summary, my criteria for entry was a falling wedge breakout against the 1 day resistance with significant volume whilst above all moving averages. I used the 5 minute chart for trend and used the 1 minute chart for my entry. Moreover, the trade was also entered using an appropriate risk management strategy with an 8% stop loss and 8% first target, and entered with 12.5% of my account, ensuring no more than around 1% of my account was risked when preparing to enter the trade. Meanwhile, if you're interested for demonstration of how my stop loss and first target is calculated from using the charts and nothing else, please see my risk management seminar in the seminar channel and make sure trading course cycles like this you do not miss it. So, at one point today, I had 3 losses and just 1 win, with my win just being at half size, so it basically felt like nothing. It was a rough market open and pre-market, so I had to wait for the rest of the day and the afternoon to trade my setups throughout the day. I didn't panic, I just stayed consistent and followed my trading plan because it always pays me back. And I ended up finishing today with 6 wins and 4 losses after being 3-1 down. And I'm still looking to trade after hours to turn it into an excellent day and be ready to finish up on Thursday for an excellent week. So just remember, don't panic and follow your trading plan. It always pays you back. So next I went with my take profit plan 5 from my 6 take profit strategies for different situations in the trading plan channel. And you can see all of my take profit plans in the trading plan channel with my post called Jacob's Take Profit Plans. It's also important to follow take profit guys because the trading plan always pays you back. And you can also see my trading plans in more detail from my beginner risk management plan and Jacob's trading plan in the day trading section of the trading plan channel. So, I hope trade if you helped you and make as many notes as you can. Pause the video throughout because everything you need is here. And just measuring the stock right now, it ran up to plus 87% for remaining shares. And if you want to see how I caught this trade live and from scratch, you can see it with my recording in the recordings channel called Jacob's Live Trading 11th of February 2026. So thanks guys, and remember, never be all in, never be all out, and you can see shares run up 87% on a bad day. So thanks, and catch you all later.